We've been talking for the past couple of weeks of this $10.50 level, this point of control on the volume profile, which is the heaviest traded area within the past year. And we talked about if we broke this level that we would most likely end up seeing on Nio fade all the way down to $8 or $7. And that has occurred. I do not have a position in Nio, whether it's long-term, short-term, trade, investment, but I know a lot of people on this channel are, or they're interested in it. And so what we're going to do is take a look at the 1 hour, look at the daily, give you guys an understanding if you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader of where I believe Nio is going to be headed within the next couple of weeks. Before we get into it, go check out our Discord community, which is free, live free trades at all the time. And our goal, guys, with the Discord and the Twitter is to make our trading resources 95% of them completely free for you guys, to help you guys grow, to help you become better traders. More importantly, to give you guys a fundamental building block and a strong community to not only just become better traders in, but to become better people in. And so go check it out and come trade with us live every single day. Now, let's start with this 1 hour. You can see we had this big gap down here on Monday. We tried to hold 850. We continued to fade and finally held today around $8. Now, something did actually occur today. We had a big order block buy come through. So we ended up bouncing. We ended up holding $8, and it's looking like we're probably going to continue tomorrow up to $8.80. Now, with that being said, you can see we have a bearish block here and a bearish block here, which I do believe that these are probably going to end up being the rungs in our ladder. I think we'll move our way back up to 880, potentially consolidate for a couple of sessions, maybe one day, and then potentially push our way back up. Best case scenario, unfortunately, to $9.40. Now, I could definitely be wrong, and if you're a long-term investor, I hope that I am wrong, but I don't think the time to go long here is at least until $7. Now, if it's a long-term investment, that's different. But if you're somebody who's looking to trade this and to get in on this thing when it's, quote, cheap, $7 is a much better spot, in my opinion, to be watching. Now, right here, you can see that if we were to break 7, the next level is down at $5 and down at 2. And to be quite honest, from a trading perspective, there's not a lot of bullish things that are really happening here. And in my opinion, I think that the risk versus reward at entering at this point is just not worth it. I mean, we consolidated here basically from Wednesday, August 16th, to all the way about the 18th of September. So for nearly a month. And now that we've broken that support, yeah, I guess we could move back up to 10, and this could have been a quick little fake, and maybe we'll move back up to all-time highs. But in my opinion, I think that it's probably better to wait for that, even though you won't get the best price, but to actually wait for confirmation and wait for the push above 10 and wait for the confirmed hold and then go long over the next 6 to 12 months, hoping that we hit 1650. But I think that just using patience is the biggest thing to help you here. And that's why sometimes these videos could be redundant, but it's why I make them every day, is to sit there and tell you the same thing as somebody who's been doing this as long as I have. Be patient. Stick to your plan. You know what to do. Just do it. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.